I'd like to welcome Sanjay Sinha, who's our Vice President of Platform Products, into the stage to actually discuss the managed service provider, the MSP program that Thomas has just announced. So Sanjay. So Sanjay, as you heard, our corporate sponsor there, Thomas, announcing the new program. What customer requirements were the drivers for us to pull this program together?
Absolutely. There are 4 key requirements we have been hearing from customers, and I'm sure you can relate to that as you have been talking to customers. First is many of our customers are looking at data center transformation, where they realize that their core competency is not to have a data center, and they really want to reduce their operating cost, get the agility, the scale out, which is available from a public cloud. So that's one thing. And what we are seeing is when customers are wanting to migrate from on-premise data centers to the public cloud, it's not just about Oracle workloads, but also non-Oracle workloads. And if you look at our most loyal customer, large customer, perhaps 20% of their workload are Oracle workloads. 80% are non-Oracle workloads. It could be open source, bespoke applications, third-party applications. But when they are transforming from on-premise to the cloud, they want to move all of those workloads to the Oracle public cloud. So as Thomas mentioned, our infrastructure as a service provides support for Windows, Solaris, and various flavors of Linux. So that was the first thing. The second driver is the digital transformation. So they want to very quickly innovate, provide new solutions, new ways of doing business. And as part of their digital transformation, they're looking at the new way of DevOps, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and they want to do that in the cloud, often using open source tools. Third thing is customers do not have the deep expertise, and they need help from partners such as yourselves to help them in their journey to the cloud. And this will be an ongoing process over the next several years. So a coexistence of on-premise and cloud, back and forth. And this is where they need help from you around cloud advisory, around building either the traditional way or the new way of DevOps CI/CD. Once you have deployed the applications, they also want to outsource their IT services to partners to do ongoing run and manage and optimize and scale out. And finally, what they would like is an outcome-based contract which you can offer, which bundles Oracle Cloud Platform and your associated services, so it makes it very easy for the customer to go on this transformational journey to the cloud.
Great. And in your view, Sanjay, what are the business benefits of the Cloud MSP program to both our customers and our partners?
So for customers, I don't need to spend much time. It's OpEx versus CapEx. It's the scale out, it's the agility, the innovation, and that's why they're going to a public cloud. From a partner perspective, I think a key part here, and that's what we are also internalizing. So far, our available market was Oracle workloads, whether it be technology or applications. When the customers are moving to a public cloud, it's not just that 20%, but 5 times that. The total available market for us is all their workloads, Oracle and non-Oracle. And we are very excited about that, and that's why infrastructure as a service, running Windows, Solaris, any flavor of Linux, really greatly expands our footprint, and so it does for you. So if you skill up, you can potentially expand your business by about 5 times with Oracle and non-Oracle workloads. The second part is, and based on a lot of work we have done working with yourselves, with customers, and our empirical analysis is for every $1 in annual recurring revenue the customer spends on the Oracle Cloud Platform, the customer can spend anywhere from 3 times to about 10 times as much revenue or money on your services. So the services you can offer, starting with cloud advisory services, and that's really helping them in their journey to the cloud. What assets do I retire? what assets do I lift and shift, which ones I build cloud native using the modern DevOps, continuous integration, continuous deployment, using maybe open source tools. And once we have deployed it, to be able to have a cloud-based, a run and manage MSP operations. And that's something which is a huge opportunity for you, because traditionally, the MSP was based on proprietary systems. It was based on physically putting people in the customer's data center. And now with the workloads moving to the cloud, you can have a cloud MSP operation. And that is what this program is about, to provide you the tooling, we provide you capabilities so that you can do API-level integration and offer a very agile MSP platform for customers in their journey to the cloud.
Great. And Sanjay, what's the technical vision for the Oracle MSP strategy?
Great. Very good point. So, and this is where I think we'd like to work with you to help you build this aspect of your practice. So clearly, over the next several years, you will see a coexistence of some workloads on-premise, some moving to the cloud. And it could be maybe production is running on-premise. They want to start dev tests in the cloud. But they need to have workflows which you will design so that you can synchronize data, processes, et cetera, between the cloud and on-premise. Or maybe there's some new applications are built ground up in the cloud, but the system of record, the data is on-premise. So really this integration and entire lifecycle management of both on-premise and public cloud workloads, Oracle and non-Oracle, that's the key challenge. And as you know, in cloud, it's all about automation. So what we are looking for is for you to build tooling, perhaps a cloud management platform or various tools, to be able to integrate the entire life cycle for on-premise and cloud, for provisioning, for orchestration, for monitoring. And that's really what we see as the technical vision. And the more you automate, the more nonlinear growth and money you will make.
Very compelling, Sanjay. So how does a partner become an MSP partner within Oracle?
Great. So there are 4 key things I'll mention, and then after this event, on the OPN Knowledge Zone, you'll see more details, as well as in the cloud marketplace.
In fact, it's right now. It's
okay.
On the Oracle OPN website.
Perfect, just in time. So 4 key things. One is Oracle and non-Oracle workloads. So I do want to emphasize, you can increase your business 5 times by going after non-Oracle workloads, and that's a key part of our IaaS strategy.
Great.
Second is you need to have the MSP operations, so the run and manage part. If you don't have that, you're leaving money on the table. Customers are looking for that. Third is this API-level integration for monitoring, orchestration, and provisioning. And fourth is this buy on behalf business construct so that you can make it frictionless and easy for customer to buy from you in one contract, both Oracle Cloud Platform and your associated services.
Fantastic.